anak siya ay sobrang talagang healthy, napaka-puti. Sabi nga nung bedyan niya, sabi niya, wow, Miss Universe.
Oo naman, si Darwin yung pangalawa kasi galaw ng galaw yan, naanampahin pa ako. Nag-labor ako sa loob ng ospital kasi masakit eh. Kasi Saria.
Ay nako, problema talaga. Sobrang napakahirap pakainin.
Malakas siya kumain. Si Darwin, ako, ang mahilig niyang kainin, ang canton.
Basta ang pagkain niya na kailangan palaging hot. Lahat ng spicy foods yan. Pagka naman mga fry, gusto niya talaga super lutong. Yan.
Kasi nagugutom niya, kakain niya, pupunta sa labas, magsusolo, ganyan yan. Si Darwin katakaw. Si Darwin, marunong din magluto yan, mga nasa papa niya. The best niya yung adobo sa lahat.
Ayaw talaga niya na maging doctor or nurse. Sa dugungan, ako dyan eh, paano mag-nurse o mag-doktor yan. Ang gusto talaga niya yun, yung mag-o-office siya, yun talaga.
Talaga, maging katulad ng papa niya, maging isang pulis. Pero, hindi ko nga alam kung ano nangyari. Basta nang tumungtong na siya ng college, bigla na lang siya nag-accountant.
Gusto mo nag-collect na ng toys like Barbie doll, lahat ng mga accessories niya.
Mahilig yan sa basketball, sumali pa yan sa karate, nag-judo karate talaga yan.
Si Stand of Reading, magazine, book, nag-start sa Archie, mga Sweet Valley High.
Nagsakristan pa yan, sa Lourdes, nagplot pa yan. Mahilig siya talaga sa mga bagay na yun.
So, basta pag-shopping. Darwin medyo bawal-bawal sa pag-shopping. Iba na ngayon, pag may asawa na.
So I remember we were driving in your car. Streets at first felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out.
Tapos na siyang mag-aral ng mga lessons niya. Babasa na naman yan, parang full pocketbook yan, hanggang sa nakakatulugan niya.
Mahilig maglaro, mga video game. Pero magaling mag-aral yan. Wala na masasabi yan kasi siya pinakamakataling sa anak ko. Napakarami niyang medal talaga. Nagbebenta ng homework para lang magkaroon kami ng baon.
Walang patayan yung tipik, walang paso. Monday to Friday, may disiplina naman siya. Nag-TV man yan, okay na yun talagang tapos na lahat ng lessons niya.
One time nga naglalaro sila, nakita ko binatukan yung kaklase niya, tapos tatakbo. Nung elementary siya, nagulat na lang ako, pinatawag siya, pala hindi na pumapasok. Awa naman ng Diyos. 100% naman yung exam niya, kaya wala kami nagawa.
Alam na talaga yan eh. Class clown, mahilig magpatawa, mahilig mangasar.
He's a nerd, pero a special kind of nerd. He might be the only nerd in history to be on a conduct probation when we were in high school.
Hindi niya yung quiet time of students sa classroom, pero once na nakilala mo siya, siya na yung mamulat sa kayong padaldal.
Si Darwin, matalino yan eh. Talagang kaya niya mag-excel.
Best and favorite subject would have to be every class under Miss Uy.
Pero kung meron man siyang favorite, I'm sure yung class or yung subject na bentang-benta yung mga jokes niya.
Worst subject? Music.
Favorite subject niya, economics. At pinaka-least favorite naman niya, PE.
Mukhang obvious naman sa katawan ni Darwin kung anong ginagawa niya sa free time niya, so hindi ko na babanggitin yun.
For Darwin's rather robust physique, he was actually pretty athletic, and we love basketball, so we play wherever and whenever we can.
Pero pagkatapos ng basketball, nung una yung magyayang kumain, punta sa Jonas, order ng bulalo.
Usually, pag free time namin ni Ninia, pupunta lang kami ng conservatory. Minsan nag-aaral, pero most of the time, nagkwentuhan lang kami.
He's a nerd. Hindi magka-cut class yun.
Meron man time na nag-cut class kami ni Darwin or pinayagan si Darwin mag-cut class ni Ninia. Siguro pagka may laro yung Ateneo at saka Lasal, bago pa lang punta na kami ng Araneta para pumila para sa tickets.
Nag-cut kami ng classes ni Ninia every speech class. Hanggang naubos na yung allowed absences namin.
Siguro yung time na pinakulayan niya yung kotse niya ng bright pink na tipong alam na alam mo pagka dumadaan siya ng TAF.
Or the sleepovers, their place, kabahay, kalabobo, domijam, basketball. Now, these are things that might seem lame to other people, but to us, it's simpler times. good times.
Yung fond memory ko with Nina is when we were in the class, wala kaming magawa. Ano kaya ang team song naming dalawa? Nakaisip kami, keep trying, you can always count on me, for sure. O Nina, turn mo naman kumanta.
Nothing to prove.
Aside from her colorful outfit every day, Nina is very composed employee even on a stressful day.
Darwin is someone that I would label as a thinker or an innovator. He comes up with sometimes outrageous ideas, but they are actually simple enough and executable.
Never a difficult direct report, always an easy-to-get kind of employee, meaning she can easily understand the work and that makes me a happy boss.
True to form, chubby and huggable. Darwin bounces back. So if he's faced with any challenge, he faces it head-on.
Nina's stressed if she's no longer moving and talking on her desk.
Darwin wears his heart on his sleeve, so it's pretty obvious when he's stressed. A key indicator would be he would be right on my face, moving back and forth and asking me about whatever issue is bothering him.
Her way of de-stressing is to eat a lot.
He de-stresses with me by eating.
You got a fast car. I want a ticket to anywhere.
Nina and I went to the same college.
We met sa Lasal.
We took up the same major. Eco accounting ako and she's from Eco Finance.
We were blockmates.
Nina was the quiet type in class. Laging naupo sa harap at malapit sa teacher.
Loud, makulit, but funny guy.
I think I felt challenged because tahimik siya eh. Hindi mo siya mabasa unlike other girls. You know kagad kung may gusto sila sa'yo or wala eh.
Wala pa talaga. Honestly, wala pa talaga. Alam naman niya yun. Siyempre, you get to know him na eventually kasi nga he courted me for ilang months. Aminin ko na din na parang kahit pa paano, you feel something for him. Ewan ka, siguro siya meron siya mga pagpapaselos na tactics na eventually nag-work. I guess siguro din nakita ko rin sa kanya na he's really a good guy. I guess yung traits na a girl would be looking for in a serious relationship in a guy, nasa kanya naman.
I started getting to know her, being friends, without really the intention of falling in love. But the more I know her, the more I see her, parang gumaganda at kabigha-bighani.
And this started with yung typical na courtship. So, gave flowers, gifts, pinrents na yung mga friends ko.
Nina kasi is very conservative, typical probinsyana. So, it was hard penetrating her defenses.
Also, he brings me home almost every day.
I'll borrow her notes. Kunwari, kukopya ako na notes, pero totoo naman hindi ko kinukopya. Anything just to spark up a conversation, get her to laugh. Yun na. Whenever we get into a fight or pag nakikita ko na naiinis na siya,
I think we both know how to say sorry.
I normally make funny faces or crack up jokes to lighten the mood.
Most of the time, siguro you sleep over it. Parang the following day, you swallow your pride and then you go to him and then yun na.
And pag medyo tumatawa na siya, that's the time I say sorry. Kahit naman na hindi ako ang may kasalanan.
Almost everybody knows na yan. We got engaged in Korea.
In December when I was on business trip.
Tapos he brought me to Seoul Tower.
There's a place there that couples go there, sign their names on a lock.
It's usually used talaga for proposal.
Signifying that they'll be together forever. So what I did was, I let her hang our lock. When she turned around, I was there, down on one knee, presenting her the ring and asking her to marry me.
On my shoulder and I had a feeling that I belong. And I had a
It's really having someone to grow old with. You thought na every day you wake up, you know na you have someone with you. The whole day you're working or you're stressed from work. Pero you know na by the end of the day, it's going to be okay kasi alam mo na nandyan siya. Siyempre, I want to have kids. And so, we're looking forward to that. Sana, hopefully, soon. Kung ako tatanungin, I want to. I don't know with him. Before sabi niya he wants a basketball team, but I don't think I can.
I think the best way to sum it up on what I'm looking forward in our married life is yung campaign ng Nescafe. Yung para kanino ka bumabangon. I'm looking forward to waking up each and every day with the person and the reason why I'm waking up. Being with someone that you love and the person that makes you happy.
I had a feeling that I belong, and I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone.